अंदूचो इफ्फी सुरू जावचे पयलींच वाद जाल्लो तो मल्याळम सिनेमा एस दुर्गा आनी मराठी सिनेमा न्यूडाक लागून. इफ्फीचे ज्युरी मंडळान बावटो दाखयल्लो आसतनाय केंद्रीय म्हायती आनी प्रसारण मंत्रालयान हे दोनूय सिनेमा महोत्सवांतल्यान काडपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. मंत्रालयाच्या निर्णयाचो सिने विश्वांतल्या कांय कलाकारांनी निशेधूय केल्लो. आतां इफ्फीचे आयोजक म्हायती आनी प्रसारण मंत्रालयाक केरळा हायकोर्टान धपको दिला. एस दुर्गाचो इफ्फीत आस्पाव करचो आनी ताचें इंडियन पॅनोरमांत स्क्रिनिंगूय करचें म्हूण आदेश दिला. केरळा हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशाचेर इफ्फीचे आयोजक सध्या कांयच उलोवंक तयार नात. केरळा हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशाच्या फाटभुंयेर प्रुडंटान तांकां पणजे गांठले. मात आयोजकांनी सध्या हाचेर कांयच उलोवपाचें ना म्हूण थारायलां. एस दुर्गाचे फुडें कितें करपाचें तें खंय ते मिडियाक परिशद घेवन सांगतले.
Because court verdict has come and it's for us, it's supporting us, and I must say that this verdict is for each and every person who stood with freedom of expression. But the court, I don't think they can overrule court's verdict. But they might go to some stay kind of thing or like that. I don't know whether they're approaching court for some other reason or what. But as of now, I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for our film to be shown. The word sexy means we think like the sexy word means the complete form of any gender. That sexy man, whether it be sexy woman, whether it be sexy transgender, like that. Like that only we named our movie like Sexy Durga. Now yes means you can interpret whatever way, whichever way you like. It can be Saint Durga, it can be Save Durga, it can be Sexy Durga too. So it is open for interpretations.
So S Durga doesn't change the content of sexy.
No. It doesn't contain the movie kind of any type of movie content. And I think the interpretation made the movie much stronger.
इतले मजगती मंगळारा इफ्फीचो इंडियन पॅनोरमा उगडलो. बॉलिवूड नटी श्रीदेवीन पॅनोरमा सेक्शनाचें उक्तावण केलें.
One of the most exciting segments of the International Film Festival of India. Indian Panorama 2017 is a special selection of feature and non-feature multi-lingual films from various regions in India. The films have been chosen by an esteemed jury. Having worked in various industries over the last 50 years, this segment is something I'm really excited about.
And thankful to esteemed jury of feature film category. I'm really thankful to all jury members that they watched Pihu and liked it. And it's an honor for me that Pihu is the opening film of Indian Panorama. I would also like to thank IFFI, NFTC, Government of India to recognizing our film, our very small film, because we faced a lot of hardship while making this film, while producing this film. I lost my friend who was the producer of the film after cutting the first cut. When we had the first cut, I lost my friend. So it went through a lot of hardship, and finally we are here, and I know he's somewhere in the heaven watching us. I'm really thankful to all of you.
We organizers, I really like the festival very much, and I'm lucky this is my second opening film for the Panorama.
Bureau Report, Prudent.